It's all about getting startups into the NetApp, spending time with them, mentoring them, giving access to the customers. It's all about enabling the India ecosystem, taking advantage of that. One of the most important things a startup looks for, there are actually two things that look for: money, cash, and access to customers. And when it comes to NetApp, it's all about getting access to the markets through the NetApp. It's also about getting advice, mentorship from NetApp on the technical front, because there are areas that we are working on that we are not aware of, and NetApp has wealth of enterprise expertise and access to markets that we don't have. So that's what, if I was a startup, that's what I would be looking for. So we've had 6 startups, right? And we had mentors working with each of the startups. And the mentors have been very enthusiastic, and startups have been very enthusiastic. So we have an amazing two-way learning. In fact, I believe we learned as much from the startups as much startups have learned from them. And that has been an amazing exchange of information and learning that we have had. So the engagement has been fantastic so far, and we just finished one cohort, as you know, and we're looking forward to the next one. And in the true startup methodology, right? We have done the first cohort. We're going to reflect and say what can we do better next time. We'll do that in the next cohort and just keep improving. It's a virtuous cycle. So what happens is, a lot of times we get early stage startups, pre-series A kind of startups right now. And the thing is, at this time, most of them have their products that they're testing the market with. And when they come here, they actually look at, once they actually see the enterprise customer access that we have, they're able to learn from that and pivot if need be, right? Or they actually, whatever they are doing, they get solidified, saying, yeah, we are going in the right direction. There could be things like, learning from customer and pivoting. There could also be things like learning from some of our experience in the enterprise data space, and then doing things differently. Like one of the startups did, when they worked with us, they realized that they are using the cloud in a very different way than they should have been. And after working with NetApp, they changed their cloud strategy completely. It benefited them immensely. So there's a both sides of the fence that we operate in. Well, this is the first cohort, right? And speaking from NetApp perspective, maybe I'm biased, but it was awesome. It has been an amazing journey, both for NetApp and for the startups that participated in the accelerator. Hey, come work with us. We want to change the world with data. Be part of that journey.